Hi everyone, I'm Matthew John and welcome to the Market Pulse. Well, the big question that everyone's asking at the moment, have we seen the bottom of the market already pass in Melbourne? Look at the clearance rate on the weekend for the auctions. It was sitting at 58%, and that was made up of 60% clearance rate for houses and a 54% clearance rate for units as reported by the Real Estate Institute of Victoria. So that is a pretty good clearance rate considering what we've spoken about previously towards the end of last year. It's now 3 weeks in a row, or 3 Saturdays in a row, I should say, of a clearance rate above 55%. Now, a great example of what we did see on the weekend was one of our properties, number 2 Clarendon Street in Yarraville, which we took to auction. We had quite good interest throughout that campaign, but really saw a lot of buyers hesitant to put in offers before the actual auction period. Now, I think a lot of buyers are concerned that they might be overpaying or that they might be able to get it cheaper at auction. But one thing that we're starting to see now is that good properties are going to attract good interest, and now they're starting to sell well at auction like we saw in previous years. So some advice for the buyers out there: if you are looking to purchase a property, don't shy away from putting an offer in beforehand, because on the weekend, if we did see a buyer put in an offer prior to auction within the range, towards the upper end of the range, which we were quoting 935 to 970,000, that may have been enough for the vendor to sign off and to take that one off the market prior to auction. Now, as I said, it did go through to auction. We had 3 bidders on the day, and it sold for in excess of what we were quoting for that particular property by a substantial amount. So that just shows if you get a number of emotionally attached buyers to a particular property in the one spot at the one time, there's still a chance that the property can sell well above what the market expects. So great advice for buyers out there: get your finance approved, look to put an offer in beforehand, because the bottom of the market might just be in the past. That's all for this week's Market Pulse. See you next week.